in this lecture we'll know how to use the data table. So for many amounts, like sometimes we need to know the amount for different variables or different percentages so that we can take, critical decisions by comparing whether it will be feasible for us or not. So like here for this example, like we will borrow this $500,000 at an annual rate is 6% and the payback period is 360 month. So what will be the monthly payment? We will put the formula here, and then for these amounts, if we borrow these like 600,000 or 800,000, then what will be the amount payable per month for different percentages? So we can calculate it within a fractions of second, just by clicking the enter. So first of all, we need to put the formula here by pressing equal in the B3 cell. Then we will put the formula PMT here, and then here the rate is B1 divided by 12 if it is the yearly interest rate, and then payback period is 360 month, and then this amount will be the 500,000. So here this will be the, if we click enter, then you need to pay $2,997.75 in every month. So if we go back and put a minus, this is showing the bracket, or because you will pay in every month. So if we put a minus before B2, then this amount will be this one. So from here, if we want to know the amount payable for different 100, 600,000, 800,000, 900,000, for different amounts, you need to select the rows and column that you want to use the data table. Then go to the data, and then from what if analysis, you select data table, and then row input cell, this will be this cell B1, and then column input cell, this will be this one. So just click within a fractions of second, you will get all the data. It is very easy to work with Excel if you know all the tricks and techniques.